Give me 2. Give me 2 more. 1 more. It is Roach Motel. Give me 2, and it looks hungry today. Well, I mean, some might say that. Big hit, big hit, big hit. Give me 1. Well, stop. Yeah, I got greedy. Get ready for bumps. Okay, get ready, be ready to foul when I call it. It gets stuck, didn't I? Boy. Get ready, Team B, on your toes. Give me 3. You're gonna fish number 2 mostly. That's okay. We got almost a surf on number 1. Give me 1 more. Here comes Hungry Mother. And you can either get down, hold on, whatever, but don't fall out here. Big meaty hit here. Two more, team. Just make sure you don't find the pin rocks off to my right. Bad things over there. They're underwater today, but they would still stop the raft.